largest crowd to see anything we've had in here was about 113.
Wow. Crazy. Everything's bigger in Texas.
And when you're in the ring,
Right.
you're 70 feet tall up there. They can see you.
Crazy. Crazy. It is a spectacle, this place. That octagon has got to be in the center one day. I'm gonna make that happen.
Hoorah! 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 What time is it? Game time! What time is it? Game time! What time is it? Game time! Let's ride on 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's ride!
Trump's got him and takes him down.
A jump ball, and it's been intercepted by Meyer.
Ah, come on.
They made a play. That's what happened. They made a play. But that's cool. What we got to do is continue to grind, right? Come on, man. Let's play. Let's play. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's call it. Call it.
Moore is there. He's in the end zone. Touchdown, Seahawks. As Moore goes over the back railing behind the end zone.
What? Fades it left for Hunt. Sliding catch for a touchdown by Tyreek Hill.
I'm laying out, boy. I know. I fell. I see Tyreek with the ball. I don't know who they were going to. I was just running. They spinning a little nice today, man.
Draw!
He'll just keep it and run down the sideline.
Scott escapes to his left. He's got a lane. And he dives forward this time.
It's a great run. That's a great run.
Fires, no, he pumps, and he's hit. He moves up, he's going to run. He dives into the end zone. Touchdown for the Patriots.
The great ones rise to that type of occasion. What's left?
I see you, 12. Trying to get them 1,000 yards, boy. Okay.
1 yard line, baby. I'll take it every time.
Can I do that? Let me get 2. Let me see. Now it's and then I throw it up. All right, I got it. Hey, great job.
We're going to keep going out there and don't nothing matter but the next one. Let's go.
Fourth quarter rush. Right now.
Hand off Barkley. Pull up the middle. Barkley across midfield to the 40. This rookie can do everything.
Let's go. I love that kid, man. I love that kid.
They give to Gurley. Huge gash up the middle. 40-45. Gurley with a romp through the Denver defense.
It's all you, man.
Hey, that's grinding meat right there.
Good work.
So, are these the Cowboys?
You certainly hope so.
All day. You don't have to be close now. All day. Stay on.
He is going to be hit and sacked again. The 11th sack of the day. Is that going to be a happy defensive meeting room?
Hey, we said we'd be legendary. There it is.
Picked off by Jonathan Joseph across the 15, 10-5. Rock and roll. The pick six. What a game.
Blitz is coming.
Here it comes, and a quick pop over the middle, running free. That's Antonio. 10-5. Touchdown, Pittsburgh.
They come in simple. Let's go. They come in simple. Let's go.
Stephen Gostkowski make his entrance off the far sideline.
That's my golf partner. Let's get it. Steve. My best friend.
The snap and play. Swing the right leg. Kick lifted to the uprights. Right down the middle. A game winner for Gostkowski.
Golf partner? Hell yeah. 1,000 miles for a dog. Love it.
Eagles Nation that took over. Eagles Nation, let's go. Hey, bring it up to the game.
200 plus on the ground. Todd Gurley, where's he at?